NotebookLM plus 12,000 Nano banana prompts is insane. What if I told you someone just leaked 12,000 AI image prompts for free? And what if I told you there's a sneaky trick with NotebookLM that turns this whole pile into your own personal AI search engine? This is so easy, it's almost stupid. Your content is about to look completely different after this. Let's go. Okay, picture this for a second. You want to make a sick infographic for Instagram, or a killer YouTube thumbnail, or maybe a clean product poster for your brand. Normally, you'd sit there for 20 minutes trying to figure out what to type. You put something in, you get garbage, you start over. We've all been there. It's painful, it's frustrating, and it eats up your whole day. But what if you had a giant library of prompts that already work? Prompts that thousands of creators already tested. Prompts that cover every single niche you can think of. Social media posts, profile pictures, infographics, thumbnails, product ads, travel content, fashion, branding, personal brand content, all of it. That's exactly what this is. And I'm going to walk you through the whole thing step by step. So here's what's happening. There's this website connected to a GitHub page, and every single day, people are adding new prompts to it. When I checked, it had over 12,000 prompts. By the time you're watching this, it's probably even more, and every single prompt is built specifically for Nano Banana Pro, so the quality is already dialed in. You're not getting random stuff, you're getting prompts that were made to work with this exact image model. Now, here's where it gets really cool. You can filter these prompts by category. Want social media post prompts? Done. Want infographic prompts? Done. Want YouTube thumbnail prompts? They've got those too. Product ads, fashion shoots, brutalist typography, 3D breakout effects, minimalist designs, you name it, it's in there. You can even generate images right there on the website. It'll give you random prompts to play with. So even if you have no clue what you want, it'll help you figure it out. It's like a brainstorming partner that never runs out of ideas. All right, so let me tell you the best part. You can download every single prompt from this website, all 12,000 of them. One button. You sign in with your Gmail. That's it. No catches, no surprises, no weird upsells. You click download and it gives you a CSV file with everything inside. Now here's the thing nobody tells you. That CSV file is huge. Like really huge. And if you try to upload it straight into a chatbot or any AI tool, it's going to choke. I tried it. It doesn't work. Google AI Studio couldn't handle it. NotebookLM couldn't handle it either. At least not the full file. So you might be thinking, okay, cool, so now what? Don't worry, I already figured it out so you don't have to waste time like I did. Here's the workaround. And this is the part that makes this whole thing actually useful. You take that big CSV file and you split it into smaller pieces. There are free websites that do this for you. Just search for split CSV into multiple files. Drag and drop your file, click split, done. You'll have a bunch of smaller files that any tool can handle, easy. Then you take those smaller files and upload them into NotebookLM one by one. It takes a few minutes because there's a lot of data, but once they're all in there, something magical happens. And I'm not being dramatic, I mean actually magical. You now have a searchable database of over 12,000 Nano Banana prompts inside NotebookLM. And you can just ask it for whatever you want. Think about that for a second. You don't have to scroll through anything. You don't have to dig through a spreadsheet. You don't have to read a single row. You just type what you need and it finds it. Like I typed, give me prompts for professional poster designs for social media. And boom, NotebookLM dug through all 12,000 prompts and pulled out exactly what I needed. It found brutalist typography prompts, 3D breakout effect prompts, minimalist high fashion prompts, personal branding prompts, all specific, all ready to copy and paste. I didn't have to think about anything. But wait, it gets even better because NotebookLM isn't just a search tool. It's a chatbot. So after it gives you those prompts, you can ask follow-up questions. Things like, how do I use this brutalist style for my brand? Or tell me more about the 3D breakout effect. And it will explain everything using the data from those 12,000 prompts as its brain. It literally becomes a prompt expert that's trained on the best prompts on the internet. Now, if you're serious about using AI to grow your business and you want to go way deeper with stuff like this, I've got something for you. It's called the AI Profit Boardroom. If you want to learn how to use tools like NotebookLM and Nano Banana Pro to scale your brand, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, the link is in the comment and description. This is the best place to learn how to plug AI into your business, automate the boring stuff, and actually grow. Go check it out. All right, back to it. Let me give you some real examples of what you can do with this setup, because this isn't just theory. This actually works, and I want to show you how to use it right now. Say you run a travel page, you go into NotebookLM and type, "Give me travel infographic prompts." It's going to pull out prompts that create these beautiful bento-style infographic layouts. I tested one. I picked a travel topic, chose a 9:16 aspect ratio, and Nano Banana Pro gave me this stunning global travel knowledge guide. Professional looking, clean layout, multiple sections. It looked like something a design team spent hours on, and I made it in like 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let that sink in. Or say you're in fitness, you ask for workout poster prompts, or gym motivation post prompts, you'll get prompts that are already dialed in for that exact style. Bold text, clean backgrounds, eye-catching layouts, the kind of stuff that gets shared, the kind of stuff that gets saved, the kind of stuff that actually grows your page, or maybe you're in business and you need LinkedIn content. Ask for professional branding prompts or corporate infographic prompts. You'll get stuff that looks like a top-tier agency made it, and you made it in under a minute. Nobody would ever know. The point is this: whatever niche you're in, there's a prompt for it in this database. And NotebookLM makes it stupid easy to find exactly what you need. No scrolling through thousands of rows, no guessing, you just ask and it delivers. That's the whole game right there. Now here's something else most people are going to miss. You can use this setup to batch your content, like actually batch it. Say you need a whole week of Instagram posts. You go into NotebookLM and say, "Give me 7 different infographic prompts for a fitness brand." It pulls out 7 completely different styles. You take all 7 into Nano Banana Pro, and in like 10 minutes, you've got a full week of content done. That used to take people days. Now it takes less time than making a cup of coffee. And let me tell you about another trick that's going to blow your mind. You can use NotebookLM to compare prompts side by side. So say you found 3 different prompts for YouTube thumbnails. You can ask NotebookLM, what's the difference between these 3? Which one would work best for a tech channel? And it will break it all down for you. It will tell you which prompt gives you bold text, which one gives you clean backgrounds, which one is better for faces. You're basically getting a creative director inside your laptop for free. That's insane when you think about it. Here's another thing people don't realize. This isn't just for social media. You can use these prompts for presentations, for client work, for pitch decks, for blog headers, for email banners, for sales page graphics, for anything visual at all. I tested it with a prompt for a professional data visualization style graphic, put it into Nano Banana Pro, and the result looked like something that came out of a legit design studio. Nobody would ever guess it took me 30 seconds. And one more thing before I move on. The beauty of this whole system is that it gets smarter the more you use it. Every time you ask NotebookLM a question, it gets better at understanding what you like. So after a while, it's not just pulling random prompts. It's pulling the ones that match your style, your brand, your vibe. It's like training your own personal AI assistant that only thinks about visuals and content creation. And the longer you use it, the better it gets. Now, if you want to take this even further and learn how to use NotebookLM, Nano Banana Pro, and other AI tools to automate your workflows and get more customers, join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deep on this stuff. Real use cases, real workflows, real systems you can plug into your business today. The link is in the description and in the comments. Go check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 68,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's all I've got for you today. If this helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment because Julian reads every single one, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.